We have learned so much already this week about adjectives. We've learned what an adjective is. We've learned how to use adjectives to compare using a suffix of ER or EST. We've also learned how to compare adjectives without using a suffix, using more or most. And today we're going to learn about a special kind of adjective called an article. Articles are little words. There are only 3 of them. So there's not really a lot of guesswork if you have a sentence and you're trying to decide what word is the article, because there's only 3 of them, and these 3 words are always an article. They're never going to act as anything different in a sentence. So we have a and the. We are going to learn today when to use each one, whether it's singular or plural, or if it starts with a consonant or a vowel. But don't worry, it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. So we're going to go to our workbook page and give it a shot. All right, we're going to take a look at our special adjectives called articles. A, an, and the. Now remember, these are the only 3, so they're really easy to identify or find. We just need to know when to use which one. If it's a singular noun that begins with a consonant, we're going to use a. So for example, a peanut is my noun, fell on the ground, I would say a peanut. I use and before a singular noun that begins with a vowel. So for this one, I have elephant is my noun. So I would say an elephant found the peanut. Now this is one of those things that if I flip this around, it's not going to sound right. I would never say an peanut fell on the ground. You hear that, you automatically say that's not right. And the same thing for elephant. I wouldn't say a elephant found the peanut. It just doesn't quite work. Now we have a and we also have the. I can use the if I'm talking about singular nouns or plural nouns. So a is more general. If I say a peanut or a classroom, you don't really know what I'm talking about. But when I say the, I'm usually talking about a specific noun. So if I said the 3rd grade classroom, I'm talking about a particular place or a particular noun. So we have the zookeeper fed the elephants. The zookeeper fed the tigers. So if I have elephant is singular, tigers is plural, I can use the for either one. So let's take a look at our practice. It says underline the article in each sentence. Remember, I told you it's really easy to find because it's only going to be a and the, and they're always going to act as an article. So here we go. Antarctica is colder than the Arctic because it has more ice. There it is. The coldest temperature recorded in Antarctica is negative 128 degrees Fahrenheit. That is quite chilly. My article is the. Some strong blizzards may last a week. It's a, and notice that noun starts with a consonant. The wind can reach speeds of 200 miles per hour. Very good, it should be the. And number 5, an airplane can easily get lost in America's storms. Very good, it's right at the beginning, it's and notice that noun started with a vowel, so that's why we used an. All right, the next sentence, it says, underline the correct article to complete each sentence. So I have to decide, is it a, an, or the? The continent of Antarctica was discovered, or an continent? Told you, it sounds silly when it's wrong. The continent. Most of the continent is hidden under the largest ice cap in the world, or an largest, the largest. Okay, now we have a and an. So I'm looking for vowel or consonant. Blank unusual thing. So I have U. So that is a vowel. So I should say an unusual thing about Antarctica is it's changing size. Then my next one, I have a consonant, so I would say a change. Now, I have to write a or an before each noun. So for these, I'm going to look at that first letter. Vowel, then I know it's an. Consonant, I know it's a. Oh, that's a funny looking A. There we go. And my last one, I have a vowel, so it is going to be an. On the back, it's a little different this time. You have a paragraph, a couple paragraphs here, and it says circle the 19, so you got a lot of them, 19 articles in this story. If you have less than 19, you have not found them all. If you have more, then you found some things that are not articles. Remember, you're only looking for a, an, the. The next part complete each sentence. So, like we did on the front, you're just going to choose the correct one, and everyone can shout hooray. You do not need to do apply and speak. If you have any questions, let me know.